Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about substitution. So I will put about u equals to dy over dx. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du over dx equal to dy square over dx square. Now this one we change by u, this one we change by du over dx. Now we have u, and first derivative of u we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that u over s next to u, so that's about integrated factor. The integration of this one, we have 2l and s. So number 2 go inside about natural law in here. So we have l and s to the power of 2. And this one you got about s square. That means we need to multiply both sides by s square in here. So this one you got about 2s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. We can apply about the product rule of derivative. So that is about first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if you look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, 2s, that's about first derivative of s square, and this is about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if I do this integration, you got about uv. That means this one we have us square. The integration of this one, you got about c. Because this is about number 0, we don't have anything, so we just have only the constant. Next, about u, that is about this one. Now I will put s square and ds go to the right. Now I can put the integrations for the both sides. So I can put c go outside. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s. And we have the constant number 2. So I will put about c number 2 in here. This one is about c number 1. The integration of this y, you got about y. Next, c number 1 multiplied by negative 1 over s and c number 2. Now, We know that negative with C number 1, they still about the constant value. So we can simplify like this. C2 with C1, C2 and C1, they still about the constant. So we can simplify and we can write like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.